This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block someone on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Blocking someone on Discord is an important feature that ensures you have control over your interactions, making the platform a safer space for everyone. Whether you're dealing with harassment or just want to avoid certain user, learning how to block someone in Discord is key to maintaining your privacy. Blocking a user means they can no longer send you messages or see your online status, giving you peace of mind. So, if you're looking for how to block users on Discord or need to know how to block someone on Discord without them knowing, in this video will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. Now you can just choose on the user that you want to block. For the example, I would choose this user. You can tap on the users. You can open their profile. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. I'm sorry. Okay. Like this. You can just choose on the users. Tap on the three dots over here. There is an option block. You can just tap on that. Sorry. Tap on the block in here. Are you sure you want to? When you block this user, you stop direct message, limit access to your profile and activity, and they can interact you in GDMs and serves. You can just ignore instead of block. But if you want just block, tap on block. So now you have blocked this user from your Discord. It's so simple, right? So that is how to block someone on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.